everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here, and this is my very first Flip Through Friday hosted by Gwen, the Trash Witch. So thank you, Gwen, for putting that out there, because I get to share this with everybody this Friday, and it's based on my favorite snack. So twice the deliciousness, one for snacking and one for crafting. But I have to confess, guys, this craft was a tough one for me. It took me a while to figure out, and now that I know how to do it, I feel a bit silly for being, but that's how it goes, I suppose. So you can make one of these file folders with any of these sort of snack packaging. This is my mom's favorite, but of course you get the vanilla and the butterscotch and the banana pudding and the jello. So if you take this and take it apart, and also just remove this little tag, then you are left with this packaging. And so to get this packaging to fold like a little file folder / mini journal, you have to kind of create some new folds. So my measure, once you've opened it up, there's a little tag on the side here. All of them have it. This little one, you just take that off and use the original fold that runs parallel on either side of the two windows. So I'm going to take this side. I've already folded and scored these just to make it quicker. Fold it, line it up with that original fold, and press down. You're going to come around. You're going to come across, go all the way over your windows, find the original fold and squish down. That should more or less, not exactly, but more or less give you not quite even space on each side. But if that is a concern for you, you can make this fold just a little deeper so it's closer to your window, so that it is exactly, I think that might be what I did. And when I flip through this, I'll show you. So what I did on my original, actually let me open it and I'll show you. I used the ribbon from packaging. I think it was, actually I don't remember what the packaging was from, but a little button over here, just some ribbon, and that holds my closure together. So you'll notice on your packaging that one has a little sort of cut off on the end, on the corners, and I used that as my front just because I thought it was a little bit of interest. And when I opened it up, I did a little bow over here which is holding my closure together. So why I'm opening this up is I want to show you the mistake I made in the beginning was to put one solid piece of paper across, and it created some tension on my folds. So by the time I turned it around and started working on the inside, I realized that it was way easier if I cut little panels, one for the side, one for the other side, and one for the middle, and do that for both front and back, or outside and inside. And then just cover your folds with something like a washi tape, and maybe just decorate it on the side with a little washi tape as well. I'll bring it up a little bit so you can see. That's what I did. And then on the edge here, I'll bring it around. I think it might be, you might be able to see it. I put a little silver paint. It's the Dollar Tree metallic silver paint that I used, and I did it all the way around, even on my little windows, because not only did I feel like it was going to seal in my two papers to my original, my base, it kind of finishes it off. It's like inking it, right? And then as far as this little bit goes, I have two little signatures, and there's 1, 2, 3 pages that I folded in half, made a little signature, and then a second one, and then my second signature, I pasted it down to cover the windows, and the two middle signatures, outer covers, I glued the edges together to make a pocket. Whoops, make a pocket. And then this one is just going to be for me to do something on. I can probably do something over here on this edge cover as well. So now that I've made it, I realize it really isn't, it wasn't that hard to do. It was just me overthinking, as per usual. And then in your little windows, of course, you can do whatever you like. These are little stickers that I made a long time ago, and the first two-letter word that popped into my head was hi. So that is the message I put on the back. So yeah, it actually turned out a lot better than I thought. I was nervous to make this, but glad that I stuck to it and then eventually did get around to making it. So guys, just if you decide that you want to make this, please excuse me. I am so sorry. Still some winter flu going around, I think. Well, that cough was persistent. I had to go and... Oh, anyway, much better now. So what I wanted to say was, if you decide to make one of these little file folders using your favorite snack pack, I would really love it if you tagged me. I'd be really, really interested to see how you all also decided to, or how you also, sorry, getting myself all flustered, how you decorated your snack pack packaging. Because I feel like I could have done more with these windows, and maybe in my next attempt I can try again. But if you guys come up with good ideas, then I will feel inspired. So please let me know. Please tag me if you do decide to do one of these, and I will come and support your video. I would love to do that. So thank you so much for stopping by and sticking through this whole Flip Through Friday with me, and I hope that this is something that you will try. We'll see you next time. And Gwen, once again, thank you for the inspiration to do a Flip Through Friday. All right, bye.